What's up, guys? I'm back with another video. I got two coming up actually, but one just want to touch base on a review of what I had done to my car for a cheap fix on the splash guard. It's been about 7 months already since I did this to the car. My video's been getting a lot of views, a couple comments. I didn't really think a lot of people would you know, look at the video about you know, broken splash guards or broken, you know, undercarriage plastics and all that. But yeah, if you guys want to check it out, you guys want to see it, you know, for anything that might be able to help you with, just go check it out. It's on my page. It's just under as cheap fix. I mean, sorry, how to cheap fix splash guard. Splash guard. Yeah, it's got almost I think right now about almost 12,000 views. And then yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys how it's still holding up by using I forgot the names already, but let me just show you guys. I know I'm supposed to know, but let me go down there and show you guys real quick. I got the car jacked up so I could get under here. All right, let's see. So this is the splash guard under the engine bay. As you can see, I'm gonna call them fasteners. I don't know, but there they are. There, one on this one and on the other one where the other splash guard goes. But it's still holding up, you guys. I wiggle it, doesn't really move. Might still move with the air as when you're going faster, but it's not too bad. There's the other one too. You guys can see. Not much movement, but there's the other one. The thing it is gonna wear out the rubber band. It is gonna wear out. It's like starting to crack up. But I mean, for holding up for 7 months already, these are still sturdy. But I mean, the rubber band's still strong. It's still going strong. I don't know if you guys can see the cracks on it. It might be too dark. And then I'm trying to let the camera. It's kind of hard for the camera to focus because trying to read a lot. Oh, there you go. You guys see the cracks? Yeah, but for wasting what it was like $8 on Amazon. I'm trying to let it focus. Come on, focus, camera. It struggles to focus for some reason. But let's see if it's gonna focus on me. It's trying to. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, so that's what I did with $8. They're pretty much those little fasteners that go on the side of a lot of JDM cars, you know, for the bumpers to hold them up when they're too low or they hit or something. But yeah, you guys want to check it out or try that or use those for anything else that might be helpful, go ahead. But still going strong, 7 months, or still no issues. And yep, still being cheap, but soon later on, you know, I'll have to get something brand new when I get a whole brand new bumper. But thanks for checking it out. Peace.